Hello everyone. In this video, they are given identity of a squared plus b squared equals 7ab. So we have to show that log base 10 of a plus b over 3 equal to half log a plus half log b. To manipulate this question, I start with uh, a squared plus b squared equals 7. So a squared b squared equal 7. So I will write a squared plus b squared and add here 7ab, okay, and I add 2ab to both sides. What is the reason to add 2ab? Because I can get a plus b whole part squared from to the LHS, and also for RHS I have 9ab, because in the question we have to prove a plus b over 3. So anyhow I have to make a plus b or a plus b squared or something. So this is the best way to make a plus b squared, and I can divide both side by 9, and then my LHS can expressed as a plus b over 3 whole part squared and equal to ab. So what happened here? I am going to get log from the both sides. So log base 10 to a plus b over 3 squared equal to log base 10 to a b. So using the log rules, RHS can write as log base 10 to a plus b over 3, and this one as log base 10 to a b. This part can write log base 10 to a plus log base 10 to b. From now on I am not going to write base 10. So log a plus b over 3 equal, supposed to divide by 2, whole part by 2. Then I have half log a plus half log b. So our result is log a plus b over 3 equal to half log a plus half log b. Okay, we'll meet from another video. Until then, bye.